When you call a Didi and the cab shows up, how do you know that that's the right taxi, and how does the driver know that you're the right person if you don't speak Chinese? Well, I'm sitting here in Beijing and I just ran into a girl named Kalani. Kalani, thank you so much for this quick tip. By the way, my name's Kwadwo. I lived in China for 10 years. I speak good Chinese, and I coach Chinese and give Chinese tips on elementarychinese.com. New videos out every week, so if you like this kind of content and want more from me, consider subscribing. So the cab shows up. Here's what you do. You don't speak Chinese, you gotta remember the last 4 digits of your telephone number. If you do that, then you hop in, and the last 4 digits, you say it to the driver. They can see the last 4 digits in their app, and they know that you're the right person, because you don't speak Chinese, so you didn't understand when they said, hey, did you call this cab because you're a foreigner? And there's no way foreigners can call Didis. What are the last 4 digits of your phone number? Leave a comment down below and commit to memorizing them. Hey Heather, should we tell them anything else about getting into a Didi?
It's your call.
I told her I'd put her in the video a bit, so that was her moment of fame. Heather, thank you so much. This is Kwadwo, elementarychinese.com. Good study, day up. And Kalani, thank you so much for that tip. Hey, like this video if it was good to you, and subscribe if you want more weekly Chinese tips from me. Thank you.